back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. My name is Dalia. I'm a professional Latin dancer and I specialize in salsa and bachata. And today we're going to learn the windmill arms, or better known in bachata as the windmill step. We're going to do a quick explanation, kind of following along for the quick learners, but don't worry, if you're still confused, go to the next section because we're going to do detailed explanation along with some exercises. So stay tuned. Then let's get to the breakdown. What I love about this step or styling is that you can use it in partnership, but you can also use it solo dancing just as part of your styling. So, and also it's not only in bachata, you can do it also in salsa. So it's amazing. Let's go ahead and learn it. The first thing you need to know is that is your regular left turn, okay? Well, let me back up a little bit. We can do it to the left and we can do it to the right as well when we're doing solo dancing. But generally, when we're in partnership, they're gonna lead us to turn to the left. So to make it easier for you ladies, I'm gonna turn around and it's gonna be easier for you to just follow along, okay? So remember, this is a quick explanation. Later on, we have some exercises for you. So we're here, right? We're gonna start with the basics. So let's do the basic. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We do half of the basic. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure on 4 your left hand is up and your right hand is down, okay? And then you're gonna go on 5. You step with your left, right? So think about this. Same leg, same arm. Okay, so focus on one arm and one leg at a time. That makes it easier. We're here, we go left down, right down, left down, and then just comb your hair, and that's it. All right, we're gonna do it one more time from the basic. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, left, up, then down, 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 and that's it. You can continue with another basic. All right, now let's try it to the right side and then we can put it together, okay? So going to the right side, we have no chance to think about it because we need to prep at the end of 8, so then we can start the turn on 1, 2, 3, 4. So at the end of 8, our right hand is up by our ear and left is down here by the leg. So remember, each arm goes with each leg. So we go step 1 along with your arm, 2, 3, 4. On 5, you comb your hair. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Now, what do you think if we try it all together? So we have one basic, and then half of the basic left turn, full basic, right turn, half of the basic. Follow along. All right. Let's do it with the count. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, half of the basic, prep, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, basic, 2, 3, 4, be ready for it, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Woo! details. If you still here, it's because you're still a little bit confused, but not to worry because I got your back. Okay, so let's get to the details, all right? We decided, we agreed, we established that we do half of the basic and then we do the turn to the left, okay? If you're still a little bit confused about the turn, you can check out this video because I break it down a little bit better. But let's go ahead and see what's happening. Okay, so let's start with the basic. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. Now on 5, pretty much I'm replacing my 5, 6, 7, 8 with a full turn. So I go 5, 6, 7, 8. Now for the arms, let's do it separate before we put both together so there is no confusion there, okay? So pretty much if we're turning to the left, then you start with your left arm up and then you count 3 switches. So you go 5, 6, 7, and 8, yeah? So now if we're turning to the right, you start with the arm up, right arm up, and then you go 1, 2, 3, 4. All right? Well, if you're having issues with the arms, I suggest you pause it and practice the arms a little bit longer, and you can always try it to the music as well. But now that we understood, I don't know what's wrong with me today. Okay, now that we understood that we have footwork, half of the basic, then the turn, and then we have the arms switching 3 times, then let's put it together. This is only for the left turn, which is the one that we use for the partnership, okay? So we're here, we go 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, we go 5, same hand, same leg, yeah? So 5, and then right hand, right leg, as you step with that, left hand, left leg, and then 8. All right, now let's go ahead and try it to the other side, which is the one that we use when we're doing solo dancing, okay? All right, let's do it. So on this one, it's gonna be a little bit tricky because we don't really have time to prep. Our prep is gonna be on 8, so we definitely have to start from the measure before. Let's do a basic first, ready? 7, 8, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, prep on 8. Then we go, same leg, same arm. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then complete with the basic 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's do it to the count. We're doing everything, you guys. So we're doing the basic first, and then half of the basic to the left turn, another basic into right turn, complete that basic, and then if you're feeling brave, let's go windmill. So turn to the right and to the left right after. Let's try it, okay? Ready? 5, 6, basic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Be ready. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and basic. 2, 3, 4. Be ready. 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, basic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, be ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Woo! And because you stay all the way until the end, bonus! All right, you guys, so you must be wondering how would you know when to do this, yes? Well, that's a very valid question because I've seen everything. I've seen ladies that they feel that the guy is turning them and then right away they go for this. It can be very dangerous, okay? So make sure you're not doing this unless the guy is leading it. All right, you know when I turn to this is because we are gonna have some fun. Okay, so we talk about it being dangerous, yes? So how can it be dangerous? Well, you're moving your arms as you're turning, so you can definitely elbow him or punch him on the face. So we want to make sure that we keep the arms to our side. And for that, our dear wall is going to help us. We're going to start from here. We're going to pretend we're on 4, and then we go 5, 6, 7, 8. Just make sure that you are always touching the wall, but you're not getting your arms in front of you or behind you. You can use the wall. It's a good exercise. Alright ladies, thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful, and if you think so, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to communicate with me. I love to hear about you, and anything that you need, just let me know. Give me ideas. Let me serve you. I'm here for you. Okay? And remember, sharing is caring. So if you think this was helpful for you and it can be helpful for someone else, share it, please. And if you already show love, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification button, so it will give me so much motivation to continue doing these videos for you. See you next week.